Okay.
Trudy,
Lundy,
Lundi,
Mardi. Okay, listen to me first. Lundy, Mardi, Mercredi, Judi, Vendredi, Samedi, Dimanche. Okay? Now you will speak it like this. The days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week. All right? So I will begin with Priyanshu again.
lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Samedi.
Sam-
Good, good, good. Super, super. Bravo. It's finished?
yes,
Okay. Let me go to, I see Sirat. After Sirat, Saransh can speak.
lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Very good. That was excellent. That was fantastique, magnifique. Great. All right. Coming to, I did say who will go next.
Then I
Yes, please go ahead.
lundi, mardi, mercredi,
Hmm.
jeudi, vendredi,
Hmm.
samedi, dimanche.
Very good. And then I have Ritu. Ritu, will you speak?
Yes, ma'am. Lundi, Merdi, Mercredi, Judy,
Mardi.
Vendredi,
Mardi.
Mardi, Judy,
No,
Vendredi,
Mercredi.
Sunday,
Mercredi.
Mercredi,
Yes.
Judy,
Yes.
Vendredi, Sunday, Dimanche.
Very good. Then we come to Pavni.
Oui, madame. Dimanche, dimanche, lundi, lundi,
Very good.
mardi, mardi, dimanche, mercredi, mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, vendredi, samedi, samedi, dimanche.
Samdi, Samdi, Dimanche. Okay, very good. Very good.
Samedi,
I
dimanche.
like the sing song. Very good. I liked it. Okay, Sirat, are you did you do them?
Thank you,
Okay. Okay. Now I'll go back to Saransh. Saransh, what is a favorite day of the week? And you will speak in French.
Ma'am, Dimanche.
Okay, Sunday. Okay. Now I'll go to Priyanshu. Priyanshu, what is the day that you look forward to in French?
Ma'am, could you
What
so
is the
that
day that you look forward to? मतलब उस दिन कुछ क्या खास होता है that you look forward to it? Cricket match होती है, अपने friends से मिलते हो. Is there something special on a particular day of the week? What is your favorite day of the week? चलो ऐसे बता दो.
um, Dimanche.
Dimanche. Okay. सबका तो नहीं Dimanche है. Okay. I come to Ritu now. Ritu, what is the day today in French?
Sunday.
No, today is not Samedi. Today is Lundi. Today is a Monday, right? So for this, how do we
Sunday.
ask? Quel jour sommes nous aujourd'hui? Again, I'll repeat it. Quel jour? Quel, what, jour, day, sommes nous, the day of the week, aujourd'hui, today. So what is the day of the week today? So you will say aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. So you know that today is aujourd'hui. You know that, no? Excuse me, I've got a bad throat. What is today? Today is
Lundi.
yes. So
Lundi.
you will say aujourd'hui c'est lundi. Today, today it is Monday. Yes.
Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to ask you one by one. I will ask you to speak from wherever I want you to speak. Okay, then you will say the remaining. Okay, so I'll begin with Sirat. Sirat, Mercredi. सो मर्करेडी के आगे क्या है? जुइदी, वेंद्रदी, समदी, दिमांश। ठीक है, यू विल से लाइक दैट। ओके, सो आई बिगिन विद सीरत। सीरत, मार्डी।
Mardi, Mekredi, Jodi, Wondradi, Samdi, Dimon.
Very good. Okay, now I come to Pavni. Pavni, Mercredi.
Mercury, Juadi, Wondradi, Samadhi, Dimanche.
Boo, boo. Boo is beautiful. Very good. Très bien.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay, now I come to Ritu. Ritu, Landi.
Randy, Mardi, McCready, Judy, Vendredi, Samdi, Dimanche.
Good. Very good. Now I come to Priyanshu. Priyanshu, Mercredi.
Tuesday.
Mercredi. You'll begin from there. Mercredi.
Mercury. Mercury.
Then you
Mercury.
go to the Thursday one. Ja.
Rudy.
Hmm.
Rudy. Vandradi.
Wandradi. Very good. Samdi
Sam. Samdi.
and
Dimanche.
Dimansh. Very good. Everybody's favorite day of the week is Dimansh, Sunday. Why? Because it's a holiday.
Vivagam.
Yeah, ma'am, mine is different.
Oh, yours is
Different.
different. Okay,
Even
Pavni.
mine is different.
Okay, very good. The ones who have it different, please tell me what is your favorite day of the week. Pavni, you tell me first.
Ma'am, I look for two days in a week, Lundi and Mekdi. Because in school, in Lundi, there is a music period where we can learn
Oh.
guitar, and in Mekdi, we go for sports.
Wow. Okay, so there's you love
Volleyball.
music. I can see that, Pavni. You're a music lover. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And who's the other one who said that I have some other days that are
Miss I.
okay? Please tell me what are your favorite days?
Miss, my favorite day is Monday, but the thing is different
No, no,
for me.
speak in French. Say the name of the weekday in French. What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Dimanche, but it has a different thing.
So
My
what is a different thing about it?
my birthday come in Dimanche. That's why I love Dimanche.
Okay, so your
My
birthday falls
favorite day
on
is Dimanche.
okay, so your birthday falls on a Sunday. That was your day. And but otherwise, what is a day that you like?
Lundi.
You like Lundi. Why do you like Lundi?
Because we start our school from first day only. Lundi.
Because you love going to school. What is school in French? Does someone know? So I'll teach you. Le école. Ecole. The school. I love going to the school. Le école. École. Ecole. That is school. So it seems that all of you love going to school. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, I'm going to give you a number in French. You will give me the day. Okay? So you remember the numbers? Un. Can someone repeat the numbers to me?
I.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Pavni. Okay, Pavni, you do it. Un. It's okay. It's okay if you don't.
Un,
Hmm?
deux,
Hmm?
trois,
Hmm?
quatorze,
Quatre.
cinq,
Hmm? Hmm?
quatre,
Hmm?
cinq,
Hmm?
six, sept,
Hmm?
huit, neuf, dix.
Very good. Very good. So, okay, now tell me, what is the quatre jours? Which day is quatre jours? Matlab the fourth day of the week. So I'm asking this to Yashasvi. Yashasvi, what is the fourth day of the week? Quatre jours. The fourth day.
Ma'am, Mercury.
No, it starts with J.
Judy.
Yes. Okay. Now I'll ask Saransh. Saransh, what is the trois? Trois jours of the week.
Ma'am, Mercury.
Mercury. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now I'm coming to Sirat. Sirat, what is the day? What is the sept day, sept jour, which is also a holiday?
Dimanche.
Very good. Your favorite days, most of you. Okay. Now I'm coming to Priyanshu. Priyanshu, what is the fifth day? The fifth is Sank. Sank jour. What is that day?
Cinq jours.
The fifth day. The fifth day. Forgot?
Thursday.
It's Vendredi.
John.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now let me go to Ritu. Have I yet to ask you? Yes. Okay, Ritu. Tell me, what is the sixth day of the week? The sixth means the sixth day, jour is day of the week, de la semaine in French.
Samedi.
Samedi. Very good. Okay, so it seems you're good at it. Now, if I ask you to repeat them from the beginning to the end, will you do that? Okay. So I'll begin with Yashasvi. So you need to have them in your system. So whenever there is this, that let's talk about les jours de la semaine, you know that this is days of the week and you'll be able to say them quickly and much better. Okay. So now let me begin with Yashasvi. Yes, Yashasvi?
Lundi. 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 Mm, mm, Judy.
Yeah, very good. Super.
Mercury.
Mercredi,
Mercury.
Mercredi, Joydi,
Judy.
Vendredi,
Vendredi.
Samedi.
Melody.
Very good.
Dimanche.
Dimanche. Good. Okay, now let's go to Pavni. Yes, Pavni, can you do it without looking?
Okay, ma'am. Lundi, Lundi, Magdi, Magdi, Mekadi, Mekadi, Juadi, Juadi, Vendredi, Vendredi, Samedi, Samedi, Dimanche.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now let's ask Saransh to do it. Saransh, can you give all the days of the week, please? Les jours de la semaine in français. Oh, Priyanshu, you're already done, I believe. No, it was Saransh. Yeah, so who was next? Ritu, can you say them?
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Good. And now we have who's left? I think everybody has done it. Now, what you have to do as your last activity, you will repeat all the names of the week from the bottom to the top. So you'll begin from Dimanche and go to Lundi. Okay? So let's have Aradhya, I feel, has just joined. So let's begin with Aradhya. Do you want to do this or do you want to understand the days of the week first? So maybe we can start with um, Priyanshu or Saransh. Saransh, can we start with
And
you?
actually, yeah, ma'am. I have a French subject.
You have French subject in your school? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have now only my ma'am has started. Her name is Henriette. So, can you pronounce it for me only?
No, you give me the spellings and then I'll pronounce it for you. You do one thing. How will you can put it on the group or you write it in the chat and I will give you this the pronunciation. Okay? Give it in the chat. All right, Pavni, will you begin from bottom to top?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Dimanche, samedi, vendredi, jeudi, mercredi,
Hmm.
mardi, lundi.
Good. Now maybe I can have Yashasvi.
Dimanche, samedi, vendredi, you,
It's okay. You can check your notes. Check your notes. Jeudi, mercredi, mardi, and lundi. You practice more, okay? You practice more. Okay, then maybe we can have Ritu. Ritu.
Dimanche, samedi, vendredi, jeudi, mercredi, mardi, lundi.
Did you say it without looking? Very good. If you said it without looking, even better. Now you've got to memorize this, okay? Memorize का मतलब याद करना है इसे, ठीक है? Learn it by heart. The numbers as well as the days of the week. Okay, and then we will begin with body parts. Okay? So you can have pictures of a favorite body part next time as an activity, and we will begin with that. Okay, so have any picture. Maybe you can have your own picture. And from that only we can do the body parts. Okay? All right. So then, merci, everyone. Thank you so much. And it's because I have a little bad throat. So I'm just wrapping this all up. And I hope that all of you, if I ask you quickly, you'll be able to give me the day of the week. So if I say, what is the fourth day of the week? Saransh, what will you say?
Ma'am, Judy.
Very good. Yashasvi, if I say, what is the second day of the week? Mardi.
Mardi,
Yes. Then if I ask Priyanshu, Priyanshu, what is the first day of the week? Today. What is the day today?
Lundi.
Very good. If I ask Ritu, everybody's favorite day of the week is?
Dimanche,
Very good. Aradhya, I think you loved Friday because you've been writing it in the chat. So what is Friday called in French? There's some lag at your end. Okay. Uh, I think that's okay. All right. All right. So what did we do today? We did Les jours de la semaine. Okay? Les jours de la semaine, the days of the week, from Monday till Sunday. Okay? There are 7 days. Similarly, we'll do months of the year, like January, February. We'll do that also. Mars, April, my so we will do that also one class, so then you can tell me what is your date of birth, okay, or what is your birthday month. All right, so we will do that also, so you be ready with all this, okay, and always have your notebook and pen ready, all right, to jot notes. Very good, excellent. Super, très bien, very good. So to all of you, merci beaucoup. Take care of yourself. And till we meet again next time. All
Yeah,
right.
ma'am,
Merci beaucoup,
we would love to show you the gratitude. So, Pavni, over to you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your amazing teaching. Your session was truly inspiring and full of valuable knowledge. We deeply appreciate your time and efforts, and we are already looking forward to your next class with great excitement.
Okay. Me too. I'm excited too, my dear. Mes Cheries.
And my dear respected ma'am, as we have decided for this time for the global educators that every global educators we are going to come up with the e-magazine cover page. So please share your cover page photos. We need your 2 pictures with your autobiography or any article will also work.
Okay. All right.
Okay, ma'am,
Do
I'll
I
be waiting
have
for it.
about 1 or 2 days to share it?
If it's possible, make it by today. Otherwise, no problem. You can share it by tomorrow as well.
Okay, I'll
So
do it by
yeah.
tomorrow.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Photographs I'll share. Article, let me quickly start writing
Yeah,
at it
if
and
you
then.
have a shortcut also from your side, so we will enhance it and we will make it accordingly, no problem.
Okay, all right. I'll do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I'll do that.
Because we have already some few of the times your autobiography, right? So you can
I think
share
I
the
think
same one.
I shared an article with you. Maybe 2 articles I've shared. I don't know whether
That
you
might
see.
be in the another magazine, Alkamam. That is
Okay.
already in one more magazine we
Okay.
are going to get published, and this is the new one. We got
Okay.
collaborated with EduFusion. So
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. I
Gratitude,
will
ma'am.
share.
Thank you so much. Though you are not well, but still you
I
made
know,
it to
suddenly,
education.
since yesterday, and I didn't want to miss the class. That is why I was waiting that, it should be 8. And I didn't even look
Mhm.
at the timing. I just saw that, okay, there's a French class. And generally, we
Mhm.
always have it at 8 o'clock. So I was under that impression. I didn't even see it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, thank
Actually,
you so
few
much,
of the
Doctor.
native speakers also means some foreigners, students from Canada, they are also joining, and for them this time is quite convenient. So that is the
Okay.
reason we have shifted. And
All
then I
right.
have one German class that time. So what happens that switching from German to French is quite hard for two to me directly. So
Yes, yes, I know.
that's
I
the
can
reason I picked up.
understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 I
Okay,
know.
ma'am. Thank you so much. Au
Thank
revoir.
you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Bye.
Merci beaucoup, madame.
Au revoir,
Thank
madame.
Au
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 revoir.
revoir,
revoir.
madame.
Salut.
Bye.
Salut,
Bye.
à bientôt.
Salut.